Can you guys see the ceiling thing happening here? Hi! 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 Like, I don't know what is happening, but I think like this house is giving me signs to leave. Also, update, I went house hunting yesterday and I didn't vlog because the houses were not vlog worthy. Getting my point? But basically I'm gonna brief my entire day yesterday in just 2 minutes. So I saw this house like on No Broker and I was like, bro, I need this house. I can see myself living here. It was a terrace apartment, it was small, it was 2 BHK, and I was like, I need this. I literally need this. But then No Broker was asking for money, of course, for the owner ka contact and schedule visit, blah blah blah, everything ke liye. And then I was like, bro, what should I do? What should I do? Only thing I can see is the pinpoint location on No Broker app. And luckily I knew the surroundings, I knew the area. So I was like, bro, let's just go there and see which building ka terrace looks the similar, and we'll go and ask the niche wala people for the details. ठीक है? We went there. Literally मैं हर बिल्डिंग की सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ी हूँ टेरेस देखने के लिए, किसी को बिना बताए. I'm sorry. And then थके आ रहे हमें नहीं मिला. And then we went to brokers and stuff like that. And babe, it was terrible. I don't know how people, whoever is gonna rent that place, जो भी उन्होंने हमें दिखाई, how are they gonna live, bro? सीढ़ियाँ गंदी है. The building is too old. It's so fucking bad. And yeah, then I gave up. Then I went to my sister's. That's it. That's it happened. And I am still very tired because of yesterday, because I worked so much with the brokers, but it's okay. Okay, to-do list for today. जब मैं बोलने लगती हूँ तभी कर करना है सबको यार. Wait, let me go inside. Okay, to-do list for today. First thing first, I need to get done with her. Then I need to do some laundry. Guys. I'm wearing this dress I got from Sarojini for like 100 rupees. And ये पूरी फटी हुई है and it's very sheer. Like you can see my ass in it. So that's kind of that because I don't have anything else to wear at home. So I need to do my laundry and then I need to get the script approved from that Subskin. I wrote it yesterday night. Basically, I gave them 4 scripts, okay? And then I was like, no, it's not like me. It's not feeling like me. I was just, being a pain in their ass. And I was feeling bad. So I just wrote something down yesterday and then I did it. I sent them and let's see. And I'll just, film it and do it and get done with it. And then I need to go to my sister's and help her with her shoot. That's pretty much it I need to do today. We are back at mommy's. पर इसकी कमर में हो रहा है दर्द और ये निकाल रहा है गंदी गंदी आवाज़ें. Just came back home and I realized that I cannot miss my laundry today. So yeah. Do you think I should fix this? Like this whole fucking situation? Because I'm not liking it. I don't know why. I just came back from my mom's and I'm feeling like really, what do you call it? Do you know ऐसे urges आ जाते हैं to clean the house, to get done with the stuffs and stuff like that. ये हो रहा है मुझे अभी मन कर रहा है मैं झाड़ू पोछा लगाना चालू कर दूँ घर में, बट वो मैं कर नहीं सकती क्योंकि मेरे में इतनी जान नहीं है. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean my space, my workspace so that I can work tonight like properly. Getting what I'm saying? Getting? Okay guys, it's not dinner time but it's snack time, and my laundry is still happening, and I am in my fucking outside clothes, but it's fine. It is okay. And what else? We are having the leftover paneer, and I don't know how people prepare their stuff for the week. Like I have seen some vlogs where people keep, I don't know, stuff and store it in the fridge. You wanna see my fridge? It's fucking empty. You can't see, but I'm telling you. Yeah. And it smells great, and I think it's fresh still. I don't know. I hope so. Also, I didn't tell you guys, I got this pan like a month ago, not even a month ago, in February, and this is literally 700 rupees, and it's non-stick, like actual non-stick, and it's from Mr. DIY. How cool is that? Just 700 rupees. And I got this pot also for 700 because मेरे पास ना ऐसे कोई कढ़ाई वढ़ाई नहीं थी to make ऐसा pasta, to make ऐसा छोटा मोटा सब्जी वब्जी, because I used to cook it like literally on my cooker and it was not working. I don't know, something happened. But anyway, let's make it. I am getting a little tired, so this guy is gonna make it for me. Perks of having a boyfriend. अब मेरी छत पूरी गीली हो गई है, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go sit in my AC and watch Modern Family because the paneer is ready. My bread is also ready. We're gonna scoop it up. Officially, the dinner time. Vaishnavi, you are so broke. What will you have for dinner? Babe, that's why God invented Maggie. Yeah. Like, yeah. Yeah, I'm like that too. I'm like that. So, we usually bring one packet extra to eat it like raw. Getting my point? Masala, pani, crush it and then eat it. And I am hoping ki ye extra packet is for that. But I'm waiting for Swam to come to, let me know. Because I don't wanna just, you know what I mean? Okay, Swam is back, and as we were speaking, I wanted to know that is this extra Maggie for raw eating as कच्ची Maggie? खा सकते हैं. खाना? खाने. You're blocking. It's okay. My memory card got full, but anyway, we are back. We put the masala and then we put thanda pani or normal water, sir?
No water.
No water? Why no water? Stupid. How will it mix it?
Normal water.
Getting no water. And then halka sa pani dal ke we just close this and we
shake it.
Come डाल दो. The Maggie is done. my dinner is done, and yes, I eat my Maggie with chopsticks. Do you have a problem? I hope not. Masala बहुत तेज है स्वयं. Good morning, and I just saw Met Gala's whatever outfits, and I was like, bro. And after looking at Diljit, I literally fucking cried. I don't know why, but I was feeling for him, like, I don't know why. But yes, fun times. Okay, what I have on my agenda today, I need to go with Tanshi. I wanna, she needed my help in some shoot, so I'm gonna go help her. And I am currently late because I slept at fucking 3:30 last night. Okay, it's 11:05 and I woke up at 10:40. So it's been 20 minutes and I've been in the washroom since because I ate so much Maggie, Kanchi Maggie yesterday, but it's okay. It's okay. Everything is fine. Everything is jhakas. Yeah, but I have no clue what I'm gonna wear because I don't think I have anything. But I'm gonna keep my shoes comfy. Period. I'm not gonna wear heels. I'm not gonna torture my fucking feet today. That's the main thing. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, you guys can't see. Wait, I'll go a little far. You guys still can't see, but it's okay. This is Moffat. My bag. I thrifted it for rupees 50. But yeah, this is how I pull up to the event, like on Swayam's Activa. Chalo. We are making a stop. We are going to Beanley for coffee because I didn't drink. I don't want to look hideous. Let's go. One Vietnamese.
Size medium maxi.
Actually, large.
Sorry? Large. Okay.
And it's takeaway. That's it. Got Vietnamese with foam. And of course, as last time, gochujang because garam hai. Okay, taste test. Good. Bro, I love it. Finding a spot for your shoot is not a joke.
And I have to change in the park. That's a task.
And वो भी Deer Park.
Deer Park. Come on, it's a vibe.
अच्छा वो मैंने जूते पहने हैं भाई. Heels पहन के आने वाली थी.
चप्पल में घूम.
Chappal girl.
See, now you would know my angles. This is what I like.
Got it. मुझको अब हमें एक स्पॉट मिला है.
Guys, this is the spot. कोई रिवील मत करना, ठीक है?
किसी को पता ही नहीं कहाँ पे हो गए. Look at her. Let's go. After shooting for literally 2 hours, we are looking like this. And of course, Tanshi is looking phenomenal. But I'm hungry.
She is not looking normal.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal नहीं होता है कुछ.
चलो यार भूख लग रही है. Came to CP after 2 years and I think no complaints at all because we just got our drinks. I was waiting for you. तब मैं अपनी ड्रिंक ट्राई करूँगी. मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है. But okay.
अच्छी ही हो. मेरी नेक्स्ट ड्रिंक वही है.
चलो. जैसे सोचा था मैंने वैसे। हिमालयन चिकन टिक्का। The place, the music and us कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा है। Avocado सेव पूरी फैंसी। मुझे लगा था नाम अच्छा लगेगा। Chicken tacos. This also has avocado.
Yes, I love Indian avocado.
After eating from the restaurant, we went to Janpath, we went to India Gate. I took Rapido, met Swayam at Hoskas, and then I came home. And I took that as a ajeeb sa subway also. So that deni padegi. And now I'm back home. I miss my babies. Wait. Look at my babies. Changed into my favorite t-shirt, washed my face, and now I'm ready to just lie on my bed, turn on my AC and to watch Modern Family or play COD. That's my type of evening, and we have no idea what we're gonna eat because मैं अभी तक यहाँ तक full हूँ और yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, I am not liking these kind of mornings. Like I just saw that Indian army attack Pakistan, whatever, the war is on, and I just want to talk like this is gonna get worse. Like whoever is celebrating the fucking war, you are fucked in your head first of all, and I just want to remind you, you live in a fucking big city. Like I live in Delhi. You probably live in wherever. You're gonna be next. Sorry. This is gonna get way worse. Like, way worse. Fuck. I was just talking to my mom, checking up on my nani who lives in Jammu and Kashmir. And it's just sad. Like how my generation, the people I call friends, are saying, wow, Modi ji. I mean, it's fucked up. And there's gonna be a mock drill today and I don't have any food, water or anything stored up, and you don't know how long that mock drill is gonna take. When I slept yesterday, like 1:30 baje ke aas-paas, I thought, okay, I'll get up, I'll do my workout, I'll, do my face yoga, I'll cook something for myself and blah blah blah. But no, तुम्हारे दिमाग में अब दो चीज़ें चल रही हैं. If and what if. I just want to say all the best. All the best. If you survive, please watch my YouTube channel. If you don't, then thank you for, I don't know. Fuck dude. बाहर इतना अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है and I'm like, enjoy while it lasts. Like, anyway, coffee. I'm just feeling very sad and it's okay. It's okay. I have a meeting. Okay, to-do list for today is, first thing first, I have a meeting. I have to prepare for that, and then I need to do nothing. That's it. I have a meeting, and then if the mock drill happens, then I'm putting it on my agenda today. Mock drill. Be safe. Snack time. We have shawarma, we have momos. I can't really show you because मेरे camera का memory खत्म हो गया है, but it is okay. Okay guys, got done with my meeting, ate my momos, ate my snacks, did the mood boarding and everything for the shoot. That is done. एंड 2 मिनट में ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि 2 मिनट्स में सायरन बज जाएगा, मॉक ड्रिल स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. सो दैट्स नाइस. एंड इट्स 7:50 एग्जैक्ट एंड नथिंग इज़ हैपनिंग. एंड अब मैं तो चुल में हुआ ही. हो गए. बच तो गए 7:50. हाँ? ये तो आग जला रहे हैं. But yeah, I think it's a joke. Opening your phone first thing in the morning feels like a crime, because after seeing everything, like, I'm not okay. I am not okay. I'm scared as fuck. I don't know. I have my babies with me. How am I gonna escape if something happens? I have no clue. I am not prepared, because war was the last thing I would be prepared for buying. Got done with my everything shower, and now I need to film a reel for this brand. Remember this brand? Yeah, it's still here, and I still need to shoot, and I'm thinking of shooting some reels for my page as well. Like, I haven't posted anything on Instagram and it's been a really, really long time. And yeah, that's pretty much it I need to do today, and then I'll go see the locations for tomorrow's shoots. And then I'll maybe go to my mom, and then yeah, I just need everything to be prepared for tomorrow's shoot. You know what I mean? Like, I do not want anything to be messed up, because then I'm like, yeah, I need a pre-plan. Like, I'm a pre-planned girly. I need every 5 minutes to be planned. Like, yes, 2:30 we are doing this, then 10:30 we are doing this, and then this, then this, then this, then this. We are eating this tomorrow, we are eating that tomorrow. Everything I need to be planned. And that's what I did. I'm prepared. Okay, I wore my top. I have my stuff to shoot here. And yeah, let's do this and let's get done with this, because I need my money. Guys, I'm done filming my video, but I'm really scared because I sprayed too much of this, and I really don't want again whatever happened on my lips because of this, because it took so much time to heal. Like, I can't afford it now. But yeah, anyway, if this video doesn't turn out well, I'm gonna kill myself. Like, I can't kill myself, but I'll just reshoot it again tomorrow. That's the least I can do. I'm tired now. Bye. Going to my sister's because I need to finalize the shoot location and everything. So yeah, I'll meet you at my mummy's. We are back at the and my porter is here, my dresses is here for the shoot tomorrow, and we are going to Olympias now, because and I did edit and sent my reel for the subskin while I told her. So hi, Ampya.
Hi. Look at my face. I haven't even washed my face since last night.
shoot was supposed to start at 8 a.m. and it's already 10 and nobody woke up. So yeah, we are 2 hours late and this is what I am wearing. Basic as fit because your girl is at work today. And I don't know if I can film a lot, but ऐसा छोटा मोटा montage enjoy कर लो, है ना? Bye. We went to Saket. We did the shoot, but हमें धक्के मार के निकाल दिया. And then we are back at P6 for the shoot. अब मेरा बिल्कुल जो मेरा manifestation, the mood board and everything got fucked, but it's okay. My model looks very fine. Show the dress, no? Show the dress. Like, look at her. And then look at her.
Take one from my phone. एक बार मुझे phone पे लेने दो. 1, 2, 3.
Annie. Mom made mushroom shakshuka something sandwich, and this is water, by the way. Looks so tasty. Found such a nice location, but it's so fucking hot. But look at the space. Like, wow. Finally got done with the shoot and it went so good. Like, it was so fucking hot, but it went really well and I'm really proud of it. यहाँ पे बहुत शोर हो रहा है. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but still, and people are looking at me like I'm some bitch, but it's okay. I'm walking home now and I'm really tired. I really miss my AC. That's it. Bye. I'm scared now. Bye.